The shift to cloud-based quality management systems. Cloud-based quality management systems are software solutions. They let companies manage quality, compliance, and documents in one digital platform. The cloud lets organizations access and share data easily. The benefits of cloud-based QMS software. Data security. Cloud-based QMS software has strong data security. It includes encryption, audit trails, and secure access controls. These protect sensitive information from cyber threats. Remote access. Cloud-based QMS software lets teams access tools and documents from anywhere, at any time. This boosts collaboration and communication across global teams. Digital transformation. Cloud-based QMS software helps firms digitize their quality management processes. It reduces reliance on paper-based systems and boosts efficiency and accuracy. Process automation. Cloud-based QMS software automates key quality management tasks. These include supplier management, risk assessment, and corrective actions. It also supports improvement initiatives. This approach streamlines operations and cuts manual errors. How cloud-based QMS software drives business efficiency. Cloud-based quality management systems, QMS, greatly enhance efficiency. They streamline processes and give real-time access to critical data across the organization. Cloud technology helps companies automate quality control. It also boosts team collaboration and ensures compliance with industry standards. The future of quality management, embracing the cloud. As industries evolve and embrace digital change, cloud-based quality management systems are essential. They help organizations stay ahead of the curve. Cloud solutions can boost efficiency, compliance, and success. They must be scalable, integrated, and user-friendly. Conclusion. In conclusion, moving to cloud-based quality management systems is a chance for businesses